Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming access and preparing your images. Sign into the Google account that has Gemini enabled. Once signed in, open Google Photos. Make sure the app is updated and camera and storage permissions are granted so Gemini can read and edit files. Next, pick high-resolution originals and back them up. This preserves quality for AI edits. Once done, locate the photo you want and tap the Edit or Magic Wand icon to start the Gemini Photo workflow. Now you'll configure the edit itself. Choose Gemini or Magic Editor. This tells the model whether to do complete scene changes or targeted touch-ups. Set style and intensity so results match your intent, and adjust background or subject suggestions if Gemini proposes alternatives. Use masking and the brush tool to protect areas you don't want changed. This gives you precise control. If results drift, step back with undo and retry different prompts or intensity until the image looks right. Finish by reviewing the output carefully. Preview at full resolution and use split view to compare original versus edited images before you save a copy or export. This prevents accidental overwrites. Make small additional tweaks if needed, then save the edited photo and verify metadata and backup. If Gemini gives artifacts or crashes, clear the app cache, restart the device, and retry. Alternatively, export the image and perform manual edits in a dedicated editor. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.